Hello guys, hello brother and sister. I'm here to share to you about my dream last night. So at first I saw myself in a boat. Okay, I was in or boat or ship, and then when I was in the ship, I get a feeling that the boat is not safe. So I take off from the ship, and then the the time when I take off myself at the ship, then suddenly I see doctors operating a dying person. This person has so many worms around in his body, and then this doctor could see many of them, many doctors. Okay, then uh, the flesh of this dying person get wormic or worms, and I could see when I look this flesh, and it shows me that this is a deadly virus, and it was really disgusting to look because it's so really, I don't know, but it was showing me, really zoomed to me that this virus, like. And then when I looking, when I staring this virus, and the doctors throwing this liquid from this dying person, the liquid, because they are like cleaning the worms, and or they are like cleaning the cleaning inside the flesh. So terrible to look for. Then when this liquid, when the doctor threw this liquid on the ground, so I could see it so much. Then these other people walk by, and then I could see the people who are walking to this area where the liquid was, and they get infected. I could see that they get infected this virus. I don't know, that God was showing me that this was a deadly virus coming. So when I woke up this morning, I was meditating. What was that? It was I'm really sure that it was a virus, because it shows me that that was a virus. And very it's this virus is um contagious, like you can get it in public, or like, I don't know, but I see it on the ground that people are getting it, get infected. It's really deadly and very fast. So guys, so you see the war is there, and it will get worse, and it will be good World War III, because as Jesus is coming, the Bible says that Jesus say that tribulation come first, comes before the rapture, the second coming of Jesus. So it means Jesus say after the tribulation, the sun will be darkened, the moon will not give light. That is automatic. He is mentioning only about his coming. So the when this happening, this revelation, it will be very terrible for us. And then but then the harvest will come, when Jesus is there in the sky, in the clouds, then he will call his angels. And then so that was my dreams, guys. That's all for now. God bless you.